Hello, Beverly Hills, California 2019 Taste Awards. Chef Tobias Cooks is here. Yes, I am so excited to be here at the Writers Guild Theater here in Beverly Hills, California. Celebrate the 10th Annual Taste Awards. We are here to celebrate the top culinary careers in media, radio, video, kitchens, restaurants, radio shows, and hilarious culinary films. Congratulations to all our nominees and all winners, including top chef Kat Coral, who was inducted into the Hall of Fame. I am once again excited to be here as a chef to celebrate this monumental moment. 2019 Taste Awards, 10th anniversary, Beverly Hills.
Hello, Chef Tobias Cooks here at the Taste Awards in Beverly Hills. I am here with Chef Krista. Give me your information.
Hi, I'm with Georgia Appetite Catering in Phoenix, Arizona. I am so excited to be here at the Taste.
All right, all the way from Phoenix, Arizona. We are here at the Taste Awards 2019. I'll show you some more stuff of what's going on. Chef Tobias. Hello, Chef Tobias Cooks here at the Taste Awards 2019 in Beverly Hills, California. Please check me out, ChefTobiasCooks.com, and I am so excited that I was invited here to see all the wonderful Taste Awards, and congratulations to everyone. See you next year.